Sophia, what are you doing?
Hi.
What are you doing?
Yay, you're sitting like a big girl. Hi. Are you so happy? Yeah. See, finally, I'm like an adult. Yay! That's all I wanted was to sit up. Yay! Hey, you love your moppy, huh? Yeah. Hi, pretty girl. Hi. It's night time. You're tired, are you? No, you're not in this thing. I'm wide awake. Hi. What are you doing? You're so excited. Whoa. A little wobbly still. You're alright. You're safe. Yeah. Hi. Aw, you're a good girl. Are you laughing? What? What? Are you laughing? You want Mama to get you? Uh-oh.
Don't.